gentlemen, we are 6 days away from the first stop on the road to WrestleMania. I'm Michael Cole, and as always, I'm joined by my broadcast partner, the one and only Jerry the King Lawler. And King, what a main event we have in store tonight.
Oh, you said it, Michael. Tonight, the legendary Arn Anderson comes out of retirement, and he'll be teaming up with John Cena and Edge to take on the United Kingdom.
Earlier today, WWE.com broke the news that the former Four Horsemen enforcer will be the special enforcer for Sunday's World Heavyweight Championship match between John Cena and Sheamus. And for the first time in nearly a decade, Arn Anderson returns to the ring, and this arena is electric.
I've actually got chills, Michael. I never in my life thought I'd see the legendary enforcer Arn Anderson compete again.
And the knuckles connect. Sheamus throwing more pain, more hurt.
How great does Anderson look, Michael? Arn's in outstanding shape.
And I've got a feeling that condition will come into play this Sunday as Anderson takes up the mantle of special enforcer in that huge title match between Sheamus and John Cena. Uh-oh, look at this, King.
Oh, man, that's one position you don't want to be in.
This could be bad. Wait, what's he doing? Superplex, and both bodies land hard.
Uh-oh.
Oh, gosh, right down on the kidneys. King, there's a reason they call Sheamus the Celtic Warrior.
Yeah, this guy's barbaric. He loves inflicting pain on his opponents. And Sheamus unloads.
He does it again. He's in bad shape. He's got to make the tag. Rolling out of the ring, and it might be time for him to reassess the situation. Now bringing in his partner.
Oh, and he's going to have to do something big here. His partner is in bad shape.
A textbook suplex.
We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match.
And another outstanding wrestling maneuver.
Hey! Oh, man! He landed right on his neck from that German suplex.
For months now, the United Kingdom, and in particular Sheamus, has tormented the former World Heavyweight Champion, John Cena.
Well, this Sunday, with AA at ringside, John's going to get a fair match. You can count on that.
Without a single tag. He's been in firm control of this match since the outset.
What a move! What a smart move!
And he makes the tag.
Oh, out of nowhere!
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. Attack right to the back. The barbaric, ruthless Sheamus. Road kick. Sheamus with a wicked boot. Last week, the Rated R superstar tried to side with the United Kingdom and humiliate Arn Anderson.
Yeah, but things didn't go quite as planned for Edge.
Sheamus appears to be admiring his work. Sheamus into the headlock.
Oh, look out!
There's the suplex.
The longer this match goes, the more moves like that will add up.
What a huge move.
Oh, man, is he fired up?
What makes a man even want to take a gamble like that, King?
How should I know? I'm scared of heights.
Big move coming.
Sheamus seems to be gloating now.
Sheamus has the headlock.
Uh-oh, this is bad.
And he gets out of the ring, stopping this assault for the moment. Edge is in trouble, but the Rated R superstar comes up with a huge counter.
Man, what a huge DDT that was.
Wait, look outside the ring. Oh, stopped by the enforcer. And Edge hits the spear.
We got to cover. 2, 3.
Edge, Arn Anderson, and John Cena win.
Yeah, but will Cena be victorious again at the Royal Rumble? We'll find out this Sunday on pay-per-view.